The United Kingdom has a long and proud tradition of legislating, and since we in Wales acquired primary law-making powers, we've played our part in that as well. But the law book is extremely complicated, made up of thousands of statutes and statutory instruments which have made law and remade law and amended law over decades. Even lawyers and professionals find it very hard to interpret. In Wales, the Senedd last year passed the legislation Wales Act 2019, which places a duty on Welsh ministers and the Council General to make Welsh law more accessible. We plan on doing that through something known as consolidation. Now, if you were to look up consolidation in the dictionary, you'd probably find one of two definitions. One, bringing things together, and the second is making things stronger. And I suppose consolidation, as we envisage it, will have both effects. Effectively, it involves bringing together into one or two, perhaps, primary statutes, and then remaking that in a way which is modern. The drafting is contemporary and accessible, and crucially, that it's also bilingual. This isn't really about making new law or reforming the law. It's essentially about making the law easier to find and easier to understand. Now, consolidating the entire Welsh statute book is the work of a generation, but we want to get underway. And we've been taking steps as an initial part of that process to consolidate the law as it relates to the historic environment. Now, this is a matter for the Senedd after the next set of elections, but the plan is to make it possible to start on that process, consolidating the historic environment law and making the statute book more accessible and more intelligible for the citizens of Wales.